Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be flipping through one of the brand new planners I just got from the Happy Planners fall release. So this planner is the gold and black big horizontal layout planner. This is a 12-month planner going from January 2023 through December of 23. This planner is currently still available on the Happy Planner website for $34.99, and it is also available at Joann while supplies last. I will have a link directly to this planner on the Happy Planner website in the description of this video, so you can check it out if you are interested. All right, but let's take a look at it. Get it opened up here. See if we can get the sticky off. I might have to do this later. Oh, got some of it. So this is, I shared this in my unboxing video. If you have not seen that, I did do a full fall release unboxing video that I will also have linked in the description of this video. But I did share that I have never had a horizontal layout Happy Planner, so this will be a first for me. And I'm super excited to try it out. I do plan on using this as my faith planner or faith journal for 2023. Okay, right away, just want to share one of the main things that stuck out to me is this cover. I love it. It's elegant yet pretty simple. And it says the future begins now, which is awesome. And I think this is going to be perfect for my year. I have a lot of different dreams and vision and things that the Lord and I have been talking about and stuff, and so that was also why this caught my attention. I know it's not a faith specific planner, but it really spoke to me that this is the one for me, and we're just dreaming about the future, so I'm sure a lot of my writing in this planner will be just that. Okay, so it has plastic gold discs, and then the back is just more of that marbling. No gold on the back, but marbling like the front. Okay, and then the inside covers is marbling too, but it's white with the gray. It's really pretty. They always put these little welcome things in there, which I love. It gives you ways to connect with the Happy Planner on social media and tells you a little bit about the specific layout of planner that you purchased. All right, look at this name page, you guys. This is gorgeous. And then we have our year at a glance calendars. And I love that a lot of the 2022 planners are laid out like this, and I really like this page because it has a space for setting your goals if you want to utilize that in your different planners, which is awesome. Then we have the Perpetual Calendar. I did share a video where I shared with you everything, like all my 2022 planners, how I was using each of the Perpetual Calendars or how I've been using them this year. I'll try to remember to link that in the description of this video just because sometimes it can be hard to figure out how to use those. And really, you don't have to use them if you don't want to, but if you want ideas of ways you could use those, I will link that video. And then here is your currently page. And then the dividers, you guys, these dividers are so gorgeous, or dashboards. Trust the journey. I love that. See, this is just already speaking to me like my faith planner. And then you have the calendar layout. And then there she is, the beautiful horizontal layout. I am very excited. This layout never stuck out to me in the past, but this year it really stuck out to me, so I'm super excited to use it. I think just because it's going to be a new way of journaling for me. Like my faith planner this year, it's more vertical and has the different boxes you can write in, but this is just a horizontal box that you can write whatever you want in. And so it really will be probably a little bit more like a journal for me, but I'm super excited for that. How about you guys? Do you have a horizontal layout planner? Have you used them before? And what do you think of this layout? All right, then we get to February. Stay humble, work hard. Now we'll just take a look at each of the dashboards. You are worth it all. Look how gorgeous. And real quick, since I have it sitting here, I want to show you, if you didn't see my unboxing video, I did also purchase this extra filler paper that goes right along with this. So that way I can throw this in here too at times where I feel like I need to write or want to journal more than just a little horizontal box. So really excited to have that option. I'll try to remember to link that filler paper in the description of the video as well. And then April, time to plan. Look how just pretty, simple and pretty. And then May, purpose fuels passion. June, with challenge comes growth. Amen. July, oh, that's gorgeous, just simple marbling. And then August, great things can happen when you have the courage to be yourself. That's good. Brave and beautiful. Future now. The idea of blooming is the idea of becoming something different. Remember, and December, beauty in every day. And then at the very end, oh my goodness, look how gorgeous that paper is. I wonder if they have filler paper like this. I did not see it if they do, but I love that because the marbling goes all throughout the note paper. That is so cool. And then this inside cover looks just like the front inside cover. If you are newer to Happy Planner or never realized this, I just love the fact that too, you can always switch it up. You could easily make this your cover if you wanted to change it up. And sometimes I will do that halfway through the year just to mix it up and it feels like you got a new planner. All right, you guys, there she is. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.